Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing mirrored glass. Now this is one I'm not quite done with it, and when I've done this in the past, didn't really like the way to me it doesn't really look bright mirrored, so I'm trying to. This is the first one I've done, and I'm not done with it. This is what I'm using. It's Krylon looking glass silver, and I'm thinking maybe I just didn't get a good bottle, but I'm going to continue to finish this one. I have 3 of these, so we're going to go through this together. Now I'm going to spray a lot in. I don't have a lot left, so I do have to be a little bit sparingly. But what you do is you just spray it in, mix it with a couple drops of water, and you just spin it until you get the look that you're going for. And so that's what I've been doing with this one. And to me it looks like an old canister. I'm trying to get it really bright, and I just don't know if that's going to happen. I think it has to do with that I didn't get the right type of paint. But this is what I was told in the store, that this was the kind, but maybe it should have said mirrored. I don't know. But at any rate, this is how you do it. You just keep twirling it, and you'll see it. And it smells very heavily of nail polish remover. It's very strong. Now I have 3 of these. I got these glasses at the Dollar Tree. And I have these 2 that I wanted to do as well, and I'm just hoping that I don't ruin these, because I'm just not sure if I'm liking it. So I'm going to keep doing it until I see if I can get a brighter glass mirrored look. Some water in it. Probably put too much. Spray it again. Oh. See how the water's spilling out? So that, don't have a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and do these, and I just hope that they come out good. Let me wipe this one down. I wiped it down earlier, but I'm going to see. So that's how you do it. And just let it spin. And if you like just frosted like that, you could leave it like that. Or you can continue to roll it until you like what you see. Now I wanted very shiny, bright, mirrored. can have kind of neat looking stuff like that if you wanted. Did not add water in here because I just want to see if it comes out different. Let me see if it comes out brighter. Hmm. It seems brighter to me. Kinda. Or solid. This one has the water drips, which I don't really like. See the difference? A little bit of difference.